Run the full steel connection calculation. Select the different components and open the results toolbox. For example, select a plate and choose the type of check to display. Enable plate numbering to trace the related information in the table. Similarly, select a bolt and view geometry and checks. Enable bolt numbering to trace the related information in the table. Apply the same process to a weld seam. View the complete calculation report on screen via the Table Results section in the Navigator. For example, view material details for each component from the results list. Or the checks performed for each of the connection components.